Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jam Estate, and we are right here in Kiyovu today, where we come to show this beautiful, cozy house that is available for rent. This house we are showing you today, it has about 3 bedroom and a 3.5 bath, and it has a beautiful swimming pool, as you can see, beautiful parking with also security guy house, and we have the beautiful garden. If you've been looking for a place that has beautiful flowers or beautiful garden, so this is the place. This place is for you. So this house that we are showing you today is located right here in Kiyovu, in the heart of Kigali, and one of the best neighborhood of Kigali. So keep enjoying the video, and if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe and share, so that you keep checking out the video we'll be putting here. So this house that we are showing you, it's being available on the market for only $3,000, and